The child tax credit payments begin today. Families will get up to $3,600 for each child up to 6 years old and up to $3,000 for each child ages 6 to 17. Half of that credit can be claimed when filing income taxes for the year. The other half will be paid in monthly installments now through the end of the year. This amounts to up to $300 per month for kids under 6 and up to $250 a month for children 6 to 17 years of age. It is a lot of information to take in. KPRC 2's Brittany Jeffers breaking down those numbers for us and has more on how that process works. Brittany?
Certainly a lot to talk about here, and we just found out from the White House approximately 3.4 million families in the state of Texas are going to receive a check in July. Now, as you mentioned, these are monthly payments that will continue through 2021, but in some instances, it could cost money down the line, and a local tax expert says there are some things that families should know. The first installment of the new child tax credit will soon be hitting bank accounts. The full monthly payment, $300 per child 5 and under, or $250 per child 6 to 17 years old. Keep in mind, however, the credits are income-based, and how much you receive depends on the ages of your children and your gross adjusted income. You only get the full amount if you're single, making $75,000 a year or less, head of household making $112,500, or married and filing jointly, making $150,000 or less.
Now, one thing I would like to share with parents is that, of course, if they're not under the thresholds, that they may have to pay that back when they do their 2021 tax returns.
While families may be excited to see the check, certified public accountant Edward Gardner says that some families need to be mindful they don't end up owing money.
And maybe they about broke even, or maybe they owed a little bit, or they got a little bit back. Well, if they're getting 6 months of that child care credit, that's not going to be on the tax return because they got the money in hand now.
Now, a reminder that families can check their eligibility on the IRS website, or if you have questions, check in with a CPA. Now, something else that's important to note, tomorrow, Congressman Al Green will be in the Houston area for an event to go over some more information on the tax credit. That will be beginning at 8:30 tomorrow. This is taking place at 6628 Sinnet Road. Reporting live, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.